Hi, good afternoon, Secretary. Sir,
Afternoon.
yung sa ano lang po, sa Dasera case, may we know, sir, your assessment or initial assessment doon po sa performance or steps taken by the PNP in investigating the Dasera case? Maybe you can put in your insights or legal expertise about it. One, yung isa pong pagtawag nila na case closed na ito or case solved. Number two, tagging 11 people as suspects without enough evidence. Isn't that, sir, unfair? Or dangerous, at least for possibly implicating possibly innocent people.
Alam niyo, tatapatin ko kayo, no? Nung una ko nalaman itong Dasera case, sabi ko, sana wala ako sa gobyerno. I would love to be part of the prosecution. Dahil ako naman po, palagi akong prosecution. No? Napakabihira po ako maging defense. Now, napakahirap pong mag-speculate. But the fiscal did ask for additional evidence. And back ng mga ebidensyang hiningi ng piskal ay yung tinatawag nating physical evidence relating to DNA at iba pang mga physical tests. In my 30 years of practice as a private prosecutor, mas mabuti po kasi talaga itong mga physical evidence dahil hindi po yan nagsisinungaling, hindi masusuhulan, hindi matatakot. So, I can only agree with the decision of the fiscal na kinakailangan isumite ang physical evidence ang sa ganun, pag naisampa ang kaso, hindi po yan ma-dismiss for lack of evidence. So in other words, naghahanda lang po tayo, hinahanda lang po ng mga piskal na kapag naisampa sa kaso, tuluyan pong mapapatunayan ang liability o guilt beyond reasonable doubt ng mga nasasakdal.
So sir, does it mean that the police was too early in assuming or putting labels in the case?
Hindi ko po alam kasi in fairness, I've not read the case file. I only have that instinct as a prosecutor, no, as a private prosecutor to get into the evidence. No? Pero as of now, it's a continuing investigation. The NBI has gotten involved in it. So antayin po natin na makonclude yung investigation. Obviously po, dahil meron pang hininging ebidensya ang ating piskal, case is not yet closed.